welcome to Bangkok. So it's actually our third day here in Bangkok, and I haven't told you yet why are we here. Well, the reason why we're here is because we just launched our third country, which is FunPro Thailand. So today we'll have our clients meeting, and then we'll also have our field training with one of our clients. I'm so excited. I'll just be here for a week, but the rest of the team will be here for, I think, until the 23rd of the month, you know, to help with the launch of FunPro Thailand. And of course, since sinamahan niyo ako sa adventures ko sa Malaysia, isasama ko rin kayo sa adventures ko here in Thailand. So, enjoy the vlog!
The next day.
Morning, it's our day 4 and I went to a nearby coffee shop. It's called Tiger Coffee and it was so good. This is their signature coffee. It's really good. It just cost 70 baht. Parang in peso, it's 112 or 120 pesos. And so nice. Very nice. So now, I'm heading back to the accommodation. Hindi na ako dun kumain sa coffee shop kasi baka biglang mag-book na si boss. Punta kami ulit ngayon ng isa pang client meeting. And then, I just have my breakfast at home.
So currently we are in BTS Siam because we are about to meet one of our clients, future clients. So wala lang, ginawa lang namin ni boss ngayon ay makapag-meeting na kami. Ayoko na boss, naiiyak ako. We're riding a boat going to Icon Siam. Icon Siam. Yay! So, namimili tayo ng mga small pasalubongs for my sister. Kasi the last time I was here, sabi niya gusto niya ng mga ganito. Hindi ko siya nabilan. So, bibilan natin siya ngayon. Yay! Nakakahiya.
Thank you.
So, now, explore natin yung mga food dito sa Thailand, dito sa Icon Siam. Let's go! Ano kakainin natin? Ano mga famous ano nila dito? Basta ano kakainin natin? Dapat yung kakaiba. Sobrang daming tao today. And sobrang daming choices. Maraming choices dito, so hindi natin alam kung saan mag-i-start. Asan yung pagkain kanina na? Ang dami kasi choices eh, no? How much? 200. 200? 400 ba? Mahal pala. One. Boss, ulam ba yan? Take away. Here. Boss, magkakanin ba tayo? Magkakanin ba tayo? So, of course, our first stop is... Ano ba to? Hindi natin mabasa yung name ng store. Pero since we love seafood, so we're going to try their seafood, their prawn. It costs 400 baht. Pero feeling ko sulit naman siya. Since malalaki naman yung yung hipon. Yeah! Exciting. Ang dami ng serving. Feeling ko mabubusog agad ako. So this is our first meal of the night. Then later, pag di na natin kaya, straight to dessert na tayo. Yay! Attack! Boss! Attack na!
The next day.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. So say hi. No? Si Reyna lang po.
One, two, three, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Hindi pa tapos. sarap. Yeah, it's giving ano.
Meron. Ang dami!
Sabi mo mix.
Hindi, okay na yan.
Ikaw, sinanit na eh.
Sana!
Yan.
Lagi mo yung mukha niya. Okay.
Thank you. Kapit ka. Baka may 9 something.
Go na.